Hello, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we are going to talk about monomial, binomial, and trinomial. So let's start first with monomial. So when we say monomial, it is a number or a variable with one term only, or a product of a number and one or more variables. It has only one term. So madali lang pong intindihin kung ano po ang monomial. Kasi daw, pag sinabi nating monomial, kapag siya is isang number lang, or kapag siya is variable lang, or pag siya is product ng number at saka ng variable. So, like for example, we have 5x and 2. So, dito sa example, we can say that these two are monomials. Why? Because for the first example, which is 5x, this is a product of a number 5 and a variable x. So 5 times x is 5x. So from the definition, sabi natin, product daw siya ng number at saka ng variable. And also, yung 2. Yung 2 is a number. Simply just like that. So kapag siya is number lang, meaning it is a monomial. So it could be 5, it could be 6, or any number. Or it could be a variable. So like for example, we have 1. Like for example, we have y. So y is a monomial because this is a variable. X is a monomial because this is a variable. And z is a monomial because this is a variable. So yung monomial means 1. Mono means 1. So sa madaling sabi po, pag siya is one term lang siya, nag-iisa lang siya, then it is a monomial. Or if hindi man siya nag-iisa, kung meron man siyang kasama na number, just like this, 5y, meaning we are multiplying this number 5 to the variable y. So sabi sa definition, product daw siya ng number which is 5 and ng variable which is y. So it is not always 5y. Minsan daw, mas marami daw na variables. So like for example, we have 6x, y. So still, this is a monomial because there is only one term. For the next one, we have binomial. So binomial is the sum or difference of two terms. So like for example, we have 5x plus 2. So dito sa binomial, siya is sum or difference ng dalawang monomial. Ibig sabihin, if we add two monomials, or kapag nag-subtract tayo ng dalawang monomials, we will have a binomial. Diba? 5x is a monomial. This 5x is a monomial, and then we added that to another monomial, which is 2. So, naging binomial siya. So, bi means 2. Dalawang term na siya. So, we have the first term and then the second one. So, dalawang monomial na pinag-add is a binomial. How about 5x minus 3? So, 5x minus 3 is also a binomial. Bakit? Kasi this is a monomial, 5x is a monomial, and 3 is also a monomial. And we are trying to subtract these terms. Ano po? That's why this is a binomial. Pag dalawa na siya, then it is a binomial already. So, sa madaling sabi po, how are we going to identify if they are one term or two terms? Kapag nakakita kayo ng operation na subtraction and addition, you have to separate them. Paghihiwalayin nyo na sila. So this is the first term, this is the second term. This is the first term, this is the second term. How about if the given is 6y plus 2y plus 1. Yan. So is this a binomial? Yes, this is a binomial. Why? Because 6y and 2y are like terms. If they are like terms, we can add them. So 6y plus 2y is 8y plus 1. If they are like terms, you can add them. Or you can subtract them if the given operation is subtraction. So sa madaling sabi po, pag magkapareha sila ng terms, you can add or subtract the given terms. So this time, the answer is 8y plus y. And we have 1, we have 2. So we have two terms. So that means it is a binomial. The third one is a trinomial. It is consists of three terms or monomial. So tatlong monomials na daw siya. So like for example, we have 5x squared plus x plus 2. So dito we have 1, 2, 3. Tatlong terms na siya. So kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, paano natin ma-identify if that is one term? Kapag hinihiwalay siya ng operation na addition or subtraction, then it is already two terms. Halimbawa, dito sa example natin na ito, 5x squared plus x. Pinaghihiwalay siya ng operation na addition. So, this is one term and then this is another one. So, dalawa na sila. And then, there is another operation addition here. So, hiwalay ulit siya. So, naging tatlo na sila. So, 5x squared plus x plus 2 is a trinomial. And we have the prefix tri, which means 3. Trinomial means 3 terms. Tatlong monomials na siya. So, how about 5x squared plus 2x plus 3x plus 2. Is this a trinomial? Yes, this is a trinomial because we can combine like terms. And 2x and 3x are like terms. Pwede natin silang pag-addin. So 5x squared, dahil wala naman siya katulad, so i-remain lang natin siya. So 2x plus 3x is 5x plus 2. Once again, if they are like terms, you can add or subtract them. So si 5x squared and 5x are different terms. Ano po? So magkaiba sila because this one ay may squared while the other one ay wala. So magkaiba sila. So you cannot add them. So now we have how many terms? We have 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 terms, meaning it is a trinomial. So let us try to complete the table below. So kindly pause for a while answering this. And so monomial, so prefix mono, which means 1. One term. Binomial, we have the prefix bi, which means 2. And we have trinomial. We have trinomial. The prefix is tri, which means 3. So for the number of terms, we have mono, or for monomial, we have 1 term. For binomial, we have 2 terms. And for trinomial, we have 3 terms. So for examples, we have monomial. It could be variable, or it could be the product of 2 or more uh, product of a number and 2 or more variables. So it could be 2, it could be 2x, 2xy, and so on and so forth. For binomial, we have 2 terms now. So we have, like for example, we have 2x plus 1. And for trinomial, we have 2x squared plus x plus 1. So ulitin natin, how are we going to identify if they are different terms? Pag magkaiba sila ng terms, kapag sila ay magkaiba ng degree, just like this, itong example natin sa trinomial, itong isa ay may to the second power, itong isa ay 1 lang siya, na may invisible 1 siya. So hindi mo sila pwedeng i-add. So meaning ito ay isang term. Ano po? And then kapag sinihiwalay sila ng addition and subtraction na operation. Okay? So, dito na po nagtatapos itong video na to, and I hope you learned something and you apply the knowledge that you have learned in this video. Thank you. God bless.